Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum pre-KG1. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher. My name is Sada. And this is our English lesson. And our today's sound is sound D. This is D. D, D, D. D, D, D. Say with me. See me play on my drum, playing drum with lots of fun with a D, 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 D. See me play upon my drum. Let's start. D is for doll. D is for duck. D is for dog. D is for donut. Okay, pre-KG1, let's start to trace D. This is the starting point. Start from the point, go round, round, round. Go up. Don't pick the pencil. Comes down. Make a flick. This is D, D, D. D, D, D. Start to trace it again. This is the starting point. Start from the point, go round, 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 go up, comes down, make a flick. This is D, D, D. D is for donut. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for doll. Okay, pre-KG1, let's do eyes pie. Eyes pie. With my little eyes, something begins with D. D. D is for duck. D is for doll. D is for dice. D is for dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. Okay, pre-KG1. Inshallah, now